Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech Up here. Welcome back to my channel. So the Infinix Note 8 is here and it is official. As we speak, pre-order is currently ongoing in some region and it is set to be announced on the 15th of this month, which is going to happen in a few days time. So it's barely 4 months old since Infinix launched the Infinix Note 7, and right now the brand is gearing up to launch the successor, which is the Note 8. So I know it is a transient tradition to launch a follow-up device months after the previous device's launch. So I do not really see that as a bad thing because I feel it helps keep the company stays afloat with the current trend. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Infinix Note 8 that will be launching very soon. If you haven't already, please kindly hit on that subscribe button down below to join this awesome family, and be sure to turn on that post notification so you get alerted whenever I post a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's talk about the Infinix Note 8. Okay, so about the design, the Infinix Note 8 actually looks like the Infinix 08 from the front side, and I think that is not a bad thing. It's actually good. At least it's in line with the company's current design. All right. But on the rear side, it's as if Infinix ran out of ideas and decided to slap on the Samsung current design on the rear of this device. It is not a bad thing. It looks nice, it looks beautiful, and I think it's okay. It makes it look a little bit different from most other Infinix devices. So one of the major upgrades coming from the Note 7 has to be a shift from a micro USB to a Type-C. I like the fact that it maintains the dual stereo speaker of the Infinix Note 7, and I also like the fact that it keeps the same screen size as well as the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Okay, so on the spec sheets, it comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, which is a welcome development or upgrade coming from its predecessor. The same 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage is found on board here, and sadly the display is actually a 720p, which is one of the greatest downside of this device. I actually thought Infinix was going to upgrade to a 1080p display on the Note 8 here, but I feel like this is not the year for the Note series to come with a 1080p display. The 720p display was actually good on the Infinix Note 7, so I expect it to be much better on the Infinix Note 8 here. It gives me a second thought to think that this is just an incremental upgrade from the Infinix Note 7. Speculation has it that the Infinix Note 8 was going to come with a 90Hz refresh rate, just as we saw on the Infinix 08, but this is not the case here. On the camera department, there is a jump from 48 megapixels to 64 megapixels rear camera. Then in the front side, we have a dual setup which comprises of a 16 megapixels camera and a 2 megapixel selfie camera. And these are some noticeable improvements coming from the Infinix Note 7. Okay, so the Note 8 is coming with the same 18-watt fast charger we saw on the Infinix Note 7, and the battery capacity sees a slight jump from 5000 mAh battery to 5200 mAh. The 5000 mAh battery was already huge on the Infinix Note 7, so I expect it to be greatly improved on the Infinix Note 8, considering the fact that it comes with a new custom operating system, which is Infinix XOS 7.0 slapped on top of Android 10. Good stuff, right? So the Infinix Note 8 is going to come in two variants, which is the standard Note 8 and the Note 8i. The Infinix Note 8i is going to come with just 4 gigs of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, but the processor stays the same. So both variants should be able to do 4K video recording on the rear camera, and since the CPU is capable of handling 4K footage easily, there should be some improvement coming from the previous device. As for the price, I expect the Infinix Note 8 to be in line with the Infinix Note 7 when it was launched, and I feel this is the right time for you to go out and buy the Infinix Note 7, because based on reviews, the Infinix Note 7 is actually an awesome device, and the Note 7 is actually going to see a price drop. So I feel this is the right time for you to go out and buy the Infinix Note 7 instead of just waiting for the Note 8. Alright, so that is it guys for the Infinix Note 8. I'm going to be making a full review as well whenever I have the device with me, and just share your thoughts to me in the comment section below. What do you think about the Infinix Note 8 that is coming? Do you own the Infinix Note 7? Do you feel like upgrading to the Note 8 already? Share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.